Guys, let's take a quick look at Uniswap, or Uni on the ticker. And as you can see, there's a downward sloping trend line here that I drew some time ago. I had to extend it today just to bring it down maybe from, I think, about here or so, just so we can see it a little bit better. Now, we have touched this trend line several times. I mean, more than several times, maybe a dozen or so days we've touched this trend line. And we had a breakout on the 21st of August. And the next day we just moved back into the trend. And basically we tried to bounce again. And we tried to hold on the 24th. We just couldn't do it. And for 3 days we've fallen now. So, well, the 3 days from the 25th to 27th. Now, yesterday we got a tiny bounce. Today we're getting a little bit larger bounce. It's not a huge bounce. I mean, it's only maybe a couple of percent, up. So anyways, guys, if we were to go up right now and meet resistance, we have to go up to about $6.55. Now, if we meet this tomorrow or the next day, or, we're probably going to meet this trend line and this resistance again. So basically, it's going to be a little bit stronger resistance, but we'll see. If we meet it, today, tomorrow, the next day, this whole area is going to be strong resistance, probably. So, we've been held by this trend line for a very long time now, and we need to really confidently break through it. But to get really bullish on Uniswap, I think we're going to have to get up here to about, $8.60 or so, and take out this whole range where we've been in for a long time. And, yeah, I think about 860 would make me really bullish. Maybe even just getting above 825 or so. And yeah, so we still got a ways to go. Still quite far from that. But we are making higher lows. So this is good to see, guys. We made a low here. This is a slightly higher low. So that's good to see, And let's hope we can just break through this. And we don't get rejected by the $7.20 mark, again. So we got rejected there on 21st of August. Not nice, but hey, we made a higher low, so that's good to see. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin in the last 4-hour candle got rejected here. We just started a new candle, and we have the economic numbers for jobless claims, core PCE prices, GDP, initial jobless claims. We got pending home sales. We got Bostic speaking today. So today is actually a very big day. But most of this, economic data is coming in the next 20 minutes. So you may already, have passed the time when you see this video, when this data, has come out. So we'll see how it reacts. I think if we have good news, we'll probably move up to this next resistance, which is a weekly resistance at 61.3. Now, I don't know if we're going to break that just with this news, but there is tomorrow actually some economic numbers too. There is a lot of European Union CPI, unemployment rate, things like this, but tomorrow is probably more important than today with core PCE price index, personal spending, Chicago PMI, Michigan numbers, and yeah, things like this. So today and tomorrow, both very important. I'm not going to downplay today, but we will see. I think we can move to the 61.3 tomorrow if numbers are good. I think we move up to 63.1, maybe 63.8. I don't know if we'll break it, but I do believe we will push more deeper into the 60s. So we'll see, guys. Now, CME, they're believing that basically 2/3, say a quarter-point cut. I know you can't see that right now because it's not going to cooperate with me. Let me refresh the page. But 1/3 of the people believe that there's going to be a half-point cut. So yeah, I know this is not showing it right now, guys, but let me just go back to Bitcoin's chart. So I don't know why it won't cooperate. Anyways, guys, that's basically all I got for you on Uniswap and Bitcoin at the moment. And yeah, be sure to watch these numbers and see how it reacted. But, by the time you see this video, it's probably going to be too late. So keep an eye out for tomorrow. Tomorrow's numbers are coming. Well, I think this is also not cooperating with me as well. So I think also about the same time. Yeah, 14:30, which is Czech time, Central European. So I think that's 8:30 in America. And these CPI numbers for the European Union, 11 o'clock Central European time, and so much earlier in America, which is about 5 a.m. on Eastern time. So anyways, guys, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.